Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Thanks to a deep dive into the IMEI database, we've got some juicy details to share. So let's get into it. First off, for those who might not know, the IMEI, or International Mobile Equipment Identity Database, is where tech companies upload model numbers of their new devices. This helps in tracking lost or stolen phones and also gives us tech enthusiasts a sneak peek before the official announcements. Recently, Android headlines discovered the model numbers for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra in this database. However, there's a noticeable absence: the S25 Plus. So, what do we know? The standard Galaxy S25 model is listed as SMS 931B/TS. Pretty straightforward, right? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, has multiple entries. Here's the breakdown. Now, here's where things get interesting. The S25 Plus model number is missing from the database. This has led some, like Android headlines, to speculate that Samsung might be focusing solely on the standard S25 and the S25 Ultra for their next generation. If this is true, it could mean a shift in Samsung's strategy. By concentrating on just two models, they might be looking to streamline their production and marketing efforts, or perhaps they're planning something entirely new. So, what do you think about these potential changes? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.